college algebra. We have one example here. I'm going to solve two problems. Last class I solved some problems like those today. Solve 2ix to the second power minus ix plus 3I equals 0. Okay, next step here is going to be like that. We have we have here 8 equals 2I, and b is equals I right here, and c is equals 3I. All right, so this gives this step. X is going to be equals, just applying the quadratic formula. Just I want to follow the quadratic formula here. Remember, this class is continuation from the last class. So right here, I plus minus square root. Remember the quadratic formula, just write minus. Here is I, yeah, to the second power minus 4 times 2I times 3I divided by 4I. Okay, so next step is going to be x is equals I plus and minus a square root. Just try to simplify here. It's going to be here -1 minus 24 here, 4 times 2 times 3, 24 I squared, right, over 4I. So the next one is equals, is going to be equals I plus minus here square root and -1. Simplify here is plus 24 divided by 4I. Okay, next step is this is equals all right, it's going to be, so I plus minus square root here, -1 plus 24 is 23 right here. See, divided by 4I. Okay, equals, continue here. So this is going to be equals, next step is here, next, just write -1 here. I mean, no, not yet. It's going to be here. You have here this. Now let's write I plus minus 23 times I divided by 4I. Okay, divided for 4I minus I, yeah, minus I here, minus I right there. So next step is going to be, you simplify here, you're going to have -1 here plus minus square root 23 I, yeah, -4, yeah, because just subtract the e, so you're going to have -4. Yeah, so imaginary numbers. So here is going to be x, is going to be here, we are going to have here -1, -1 is going to be plus minus the square root 23i. Now, I mean, it's here, I think it's done right here. You are able to write it right here. is going to be equals here. X is going to be right there. It's 1. 4. Negative divided by negative is 1 4 plus minus. Yeah, square root 23. Some imaginary numbers for like that. So okay, that's the answer. This is the answer of this problem. It's a little bit complex, but not too much. Just follow all direction. Remember, we are applying the square root in this kind of problem. Remember, quadratic equation. This is our topic. Quadratic equation is continuation. It's continuation from the last college algebra class. Okay. Let me do another problem. Let's solve another problem different to this one. Just write it. Let's see. Solve a minus 2 to the over third to third plus a minus 2 1/3 minus 2 equals 0. All right. Look this problem. We have to change or apply this here. We can let do x equals a minus 2 to the 1/3 equals yeah, like that. So, I mean, simplify divide by substitution. Okay, by substitution we are going to have, you substitute, simplify this equation. You simplify the equation, you're going to have x squared plus x minus 2 equals 0, right? Now we can be factored as follow, okay? Which can all right, just factor it like this. So you're gonna have x plus 2 times x minus 1, right, equals 0. See? Factor it like this. So now here we are going to have here x is going to be equals -2, or x is equals 1 here, both, right? So simplify here, since x is equals a minus 2 1/3, we're going to have here, look at this, let's write a minus 2 to the 1/3 equals 2, or no, it's -2, right? It's -2 here, or a minus 2 1/3 equals 1. So it's -2 equals 1. So simplify here, we're going to have a minus 2 equals -8. You simplify here, a is going to be, just move to positive, going to be -8. And then here, this side is a minus 2 equals 1. So 8 is equals 3. This is our answer, and this problem is very simple. Quadratic equation. It's just a different form to see the equation here. A little tricky here. When you see the problem, we need to divide it or simplify or make some equals, equivalent equation. Simple way to work like this. Okay. Thank you so much. See you next time.